Hi, I'm Michelle with MassageTools.com. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified massage therapist here to do another product demonstration. This chair is 73 inches long and the seat here is 23 inches wide, but if you add the width of the armrest, it's 32 inches wide, which is great and super comfortable. This comes with a high-grade vinyl upholstery, super easy to clean with soap and water, and it's got these beautiful hand stitching all around, making it really look high-end and luxury. All these foot controls here on each side allows for a completely hands-free treatment. So if somebody's working on their patients and they're not able to use a hand remote or any of the remotes on the other areas of the chair, this is a great functionality to use. This chair has 4 motors that control the up and down, the backrest, the footrest, and the tilt of the chair. Now you're able to control the chair. There's buttons here on the side of the chair. There is a foot control on the base there. There are all the controls on the base of the chair on this side, all the controls on the base of the chair on this side over here, and on the back. The special buttons on this chair are the reset button on the back and the lock button on the side of the chair. Let me go ahead and show you those. So if your patient or client is in a reclined position and for some reason they get nauseous or lightheaded and you need to get them up quickly, this reset button here on the back, all you simply do is you press it and they are safely and quickly up to a seated and upright position. Just like that. Now the lock button is another great safety feature that is located here on the seat. I simply would push the button in until the color turns green, and that means it's locked. And so if you're working on a patient or client and you accidentally touch one of the pedals or lean into the seat, you will not change where they are at all. So it's super safe, especially if you're doing something like injectables and you don't want the patient to move. That safety feature is great. In order to unlock the lock button, I simply push it down again, the color goes off. This chair also comes with a foot extender. There's a screw on the base here. You unscrew, put it to the length that you want it to be for your patient or client, and then just tighten it back up again. The headrest is adjustable, so we can adjust the head here. We just do the clamp here, and if we want to raise that a bit, we just simply unscrew, raise the headrest, tighten it again, and it's a nice little extension for those extra tall patients or clients. This chair comes with adjustable and removable armrests and headrests. Now these armrests are really neat because not only do they adjust back this way, but when you take them out, you can change them, and then when your client is lying on their stomach, if need be, so if I wanted to pop the face hole, they could lie on their tummies here, just like that. And then it becomes a table where your client is on their stomachs in a comfortable position. This chair has a 60-degree rotation from the center going in either direction. You simply unlock the lever here and you can move the chair 60 degrees this way and 60 degrees this way. And then if you want to lock the chair back up, you simply pull the lever back here. If you choose the memory upgrade on this chair, you'll get the programmable hand remote that you can actually preset your different functions on this remote. I have one programmable reset here. It'll automatically take me to where I'd like my patient to be. If you have any questions about this product or any other products, please visit our website. Thanks.